everyone. Welcome back to our channel Learn with Tashu and Rishu. Rishu, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Today we are going to do phonic sounds with their actions. Phonic sounds are very important to understand as it improves our reading ability in future. अगर हमें phonic sounds बहुत अच्छे से आते हैं, हमारा बेस क्लियर होता है, तो हम अच्छे से रीडिंग कर सकते हैं. Rishu, see in front. Okay, so Rishu, let's start with our video now.
Yes.
Okay. What is the sound of letter A? Yes, it's ants on my arms. It seems like ants are walking on the arms. Okay, what is the sound of letter B? Yes, b. As if we are hitting a ball with a bat. What is the sound of letter C? Yes, it's k. Like we are playing with castanets. Okay. What is the sound of letter D? Ah, you are playing drums. Are you playing drums, Rishu?
Yes.
Yes, d. As if we are playing the drums. What is the sound of letter E? It's a. As if we are breaking an egg. What is the sound of F? Yes. It's not f, it's f, as if an inflated fish is deflated. Okay, what is the sound of next letter G? Yes, g, as if water is gurgling down the drain. Okay, what is the sound of next letter H? Yes, we are blowing wind on our hands, but it's not h. Again, show the sound of H. Show the sound of H again. Yes. Okay, what is the sound of next letter I? E. Yes, क्या बन गए आप इस time?
Mouse.
Yes, we pretend as if we are mouse, and these are our whiskers. Show again. Again, show the sound. Yes, these are our whiskers. Okay, what is the sound of next letter J? J. Yes, like a jelly. Okay, what is the sound of next letter K? K. Yes, k. It's again like we are playing with castanets. Okay, what is the sound of next letter L? L. Yes, it's not L, it's L, as if we are licking a lollipop. Okay, what is the sound of next letter M? You have had a very wonderful food, right? अच्छा delicious खाना खाया था रिशु? Yes. Okay, what is the sound of next letter N? Like we are flying an aeroplane. Okay, next letter is O. What is the sound of letter O? O. Like, how do we do the action? We are switching on and off. Do it properly. On and off. On and off. On and off. Yes. Okay, next letter is P. What is the sound of letter P? What is the sound of letter P? P. Yes. We make our finger as a candle and we blow it. P. Okay. Next letter Q. What is the sound of letter Q? Yes. Q. Quack. As duck का जो mouth होता है, duck कहती है ना quack. So we make a mouth of duck and say quack. What is the sound of letter R? What is the sound of letter? Yes. Rrr. We join our teeth and then we say rrr. Right? Okay. What is the sound of next letter S? We make a snake with our hands and it goes like S. Okay. What is the sound of letter T? T. As if we are sitting in a tennis court and watching a match. T. Yes, what is the sound of letter U? Yes, as if we are opening an umbrella. Umbrella. What is the sound of next letter V? Yes, we have become a driver and we are driving a van. Okay. What is the sound of next letter W? W. 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 Yes.
W.
Yes. We open our palms and we blow wind on our arms. W. W. Good. What is the sound of next letter X? X. What do we do? Yes. As we pretend like we are clicking a picture with an X-ray camera. What is the sound of next letter Y?
Yo, 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 yo.
Yes. We pretend like we are eating yogurt with a spoon. Y, y, y. What is the sound of next letter Z? The last letter? Z. Yes, we pretend like a bee and then we do Z. We buzz like Z. Very good, Rishu. I hope आप सबको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. And please, Tashu, do you also want to say something to the viewers?
Yes.
Please come.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel.
Okay. Say bye, Rishu.
Bye.
Bye bye everyone, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel.